Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these chalk markers that we got recently on Amazon. We've had chalk markers before, but never as good as these. These are so good. I haven't used the red yet, but I did use the orange. Let me open this up and show you. These are so easy to use. It has a lot of liquid inside and it just glides when you're writing. I can show you an example right here. I don't have the best handwriting, but this little chalkboard that we have here turned out so cute. Like I said, it was very easy to use it to write on the chalkboard. I love it. It comes with 10 different colors. As you can see, I only used blue, orange, and white. I'm excited to use the other ones to see how they do, but so far these are unbelievable. Really, like I said, easy to use. It just glides on the chalkboard. Highly recommend these.